Everyone, I hope so doing well. Today we are going to see the power of reading, but why we need to read. Why we need to read? Why? Basically, reading allow you. There are two things that you can do to gain experience. First is practically experience things and doing things. Second thing is traveling, and third is reading. Reading is like a superpower. It gives you tremendous amount of experience, knowledge, adaptation by just going analyzing things in a short amount of time. So just read and read. Okay, you will. So reading is a very superpower. You need to learn new stuff. It gives you year of experience. In this, no confusion. All great, you can say all great leaders are readers, and there is no single leader in this world who don't read. To be great, you need to learn, and to learn you need to read. To be a great speaker, you need to be a great reader. It's an asset which will pay you in personality, in different aspects, you can say. Now let's go on Google and check how things are online. There's a person known as Jim Kivik. He is a super expert on learning, and his famous book is out there now, known as Limitless. You can say its book is really amazing if you want to learn faster. You can also join its course and see its coaching stuff and like that, but I will prefer if you go through his courses and stuff. But more than that, you need to learn things. You need to master them. You need to understand them. So things take time. Apologies for it. It's an asset. So you need to read. Just as for most people say, it is difficult. Yep, it is. It is surely difficult at the start, but it gets easier with time. So just start and grow. That's all you need. I hope so you got my point, and you need to know that reading is a superpower, and it will take time, but reading is a superpower, and it is going to, this is going to be a great asset for you, just believe me. So whether you are living at any place, you are living here, you're living there, you need to know that you have to start reading now. It will accumulate like compound effect. You will read one page today, next day you will read 2 pages, and over the time you will start amassing so much knowledge that you will be able to analyze factors and different things from different perspectives. Like, first select anything you want to read, or at any sector you want to improve. Like if you say I am not good at financial management, then read books about financial management. Of course, the things in which you are least expert, they will be the most difficult to start, but they are the best way to improve. Or if you want to feel that you have improved drastically, or you have improved in immense manner, then your weakest point is the best way to start. You will improve it, You will adapt yourself according to your new system, and in some time you will be at the level that you can say that I have come so far. But as far growth is concerned, as far you can say learning is concerned or adapting is concerned, when you start reading, over the time you get better, your speed get better, your vocabulary get better, your analysis get better, and you're able to analyze multiple words and things in no time. Understand these points. So I hope so you got my point. So start reading today if you want to start, and if you want that I will recommend some book to you, then you can start with Jim Kivik book Limitless. It's good book on reading how to read, learning how to learn. Or you can go with Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, one of the best book of all time. Stay tuned for more videos.